Hello friends, myself Rajendra Mahajan presenting my video on coefficient of variation. Let us solve the problem. Calculate CV for the following data. Data we have like this, marks and corresponding number of students. Marks more than, first column for that, marks more than 0, number of students 100, 10, 90 students, 20, 75, 30 students 50. For more than 40 marks 20 students. For more than 50 marks 10 students, 60 5 students, and more than 70 marks no student. Therefore, for this we require to find out CV, means coefficient of variation, and therefore we have to make a distribution table. The columns for first for class, second for x, third for frequency, fourth for ui, next for fi into ui, and last fi into ui square. Therefore we substitute the values. The first class is 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 to 70. Class width is 10. Therefore, the midpoint of 0 to 10 is 5, and we increase it by 10 every time. Therefore, 5 plus 10 we get 15, plus 10 25, plus 10 35, plus 10 45, next 55, and 65. And the corresponding frequency, number of students above 0 marks 100, and number of students above 10 19. Therefore, in between 0 to 10 there are 100 minus 19, that is 10 students. Therefore, in between 0 to 10 there are 10 students. Frequency is 10. Next, for 10 19, and for 20 75. Therefore, in between 10 to 20 difference of 90 and 75, that difference is 15. Next, for 20 75, and for 30 50 students. Therefore, in between 20 to 30 difference of 75 and 50, the difference is 25. Therefore, there are 25 students in that range. Then for 30 to 40, difference between 50 and 20, the difference is 30. Then in between 40 to 50, difference between 20 and 10, the difference is of 10. Then between 50 to 60, it is the difference between 10 and 5, the difference is of 5. And between 60 to 70, difference between 5 and 0, the difference is of 5. Then we take a sum of the frequencies. 25 plus 25, 50 plus 30, 80, 80 plus 10, 90, 90 plus 10, 100. Therefore, we get that value of sum of f as 100. Then maximum frequency is here 30. And the corresponding value of x is 35. Therefore, we take the assumed mean, that is the value of A, as 35. Therefore, ui is xi minus a. Here xi is 35, minus 35 we get 0. We write down the values as minus 1, minus 2 for the upper side of 0. Therefore, minus 1, next one is minus 2, next as minus 3, and values below that 0 as 1, 2 and 3. Then the product of f into u, 10 into minus 3 we get minus 30, 15 to the 20 with minus sign, 25 into minus 1 we get minus 25, 0, 10, again 10, and 5 3 is 15. Then square of u into f. Square of minus 3 is 9. 9 into 10 we get 90. 2 square is 4. 15 4 is 60. 1 square is 1. Into 25 we get 25. 0. 1 square is 1. 1 into 10 we get 10. 2 square 4. 4 into 5. And 3 square 9. 9 into 5. 9 5 is 45. And then we take the addition of FIUI. For that one is minus 30. And therefore the addition of all this as 50. Then addition of this 90 plus 10, 100, 100 plus 60, 160, 160 plus 20, 180, 180 plus 25, 205, 205 plus 45, we get 250 as sum of FIUI square. Then we find that CV as standard deviation divided by mean into 100. One as mean. Formula for mean is A plus summation of FIUI by summation of FI into H. Therefore, substituting a small correction here, summation of FIUI is minus 50. Therefore, minus 50 by 100 and into 10 we get that product as minus 10 by 2. 10 by 2 means 5. 35 minus 5 we get the value as 30. Mean is 30. Then we find out standard deviation as square root of sum of FIUI square divided by n minus summation of FIUI by n whole square bracket square and into H, and therefore substituting the values, it is square root of summation of FIUI square is 250 from the table. Sum of f is 100 minus summation of FIUI minus 50 divided by n 100 and into H is 10. Simplifying it, 1 0 get cancelled, 25 by 10 means it is 2.5 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 1 by. Simplifying it further, we get 250 divided by 100 nothing but 2.5 minus 50 divided by 100, nothing but 1 by 2, and square of it is 1 by 4, and if you calculate the value of 1 by 4, it is 0.25 and into 10. Therefore, square root of 2.5 minus 0.25 is 2.25 into 10, and if we calculate it by calculator, square root of 2.25 is 1.5 into 10, nothing but 15. This is the value of standard deviation. And then lastly, we find the value of CV as standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Substituting values, standard deviation is 15, the value of mean is 30, and into 100 by 2, nothing but 50. Coefficient of variation is 50 for that given data. We require two important values to find out CV. The first one, mean; second one, standard deviation. Substituting that two values in the formula of CV, we get that value as 50. For the final value, final answer is 50. One more problem I will discuss in my next video. Therefore, please like my video, share it, as well as subscribe to my channel, and to receive the notification, please press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.